So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the background color here in Alight Motion. So if I just were to go ahead and zoom this out a little bit, it might be a little bit hard to tell. Maybe I want to go ahead and delete this completely, and then you have your gray background. So if you wanted to change this color, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top right, select on the gear icon, then go down to where it says background, and for me it says light gray. You can go ahead and change this to what you want here. So maybe if you want the background to be blue, if you want it to be black, if you want it to be white, if you want it to be transparent, like whatever the case may be, you can kind of play around with it this way. And if you want to go ahead and do that, you can. That's one way you can do it. You can also go ahead and add different stuff around it. But basically, the simplest way is to go to the top right, select the gear icon, select background, and then edit the color this way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit background color here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.